Toronto, women gathered as well, celebrating their efforts to help each other succeed.
Happy International Women's Day!
On a day to celebrate women around the world, this community is recognizing how those women come together. This is one of the dozens of resource groups in the GTA aimed at women, specifically to help newcomers.
Our job is to connect newcomer women to Canadian society.
Women like Erika Yoshida from Japan, who's learning the cultural differences between Canada and her homeland.
People, if they are like 1 year older, I have to use like different language to show my respect. But here, I can like hug to my boss. I can say like, hi, how are you, to the boss. That's amazing.
Newcomer Women's Services helps recent immigrants navigate a new world, including finding a new job.
We connect 300 newcomer women to 300 jobs a year. Newcomer women, our unemployment rate is actually 3 times as high as for someone who's Canadian born.
That network of all female staff has also helped connect women with English classes, childcare, and mixing with new cultures.
With these programs, we were very, we were introduced to new cultures, new traditions, new activities, and new events and stuff like that too. So it kind of helped us break that bubble, the newcomer bubble.
It is with that backdrop that women today gather to celebrate International Women's Day. Hearing from an immigrant herself, Olivia Chow.
It's really empowering to sense the joy and the support that all the women have towards each other. And this is the best way to celebrate International Women's Day.
With women who have helped other women find a successful path in life. Newcomer Women's Services was raising money today that will go towards their child care programs, allowing those immigrant women to focus on a job search. In the